Good afternoon, everybody. How we doing? Hope you guys are doing well. We didn't have a video yesterday. It rained almost all day, and when I mean almost, I think it quit in our neighborhood around 3:30. So not gonna waste time making a video that means nothing, right, baby? Sure. Miss Sarah. If you guys are new, that's Miss Sarah. I'm Doc, and hey, we appreciate all those folks who watch us, and you never know where your channel's gonna go, man. You just don't, okay? I'm not gonna have all those fancy little tricks. I'm not gonna have a camera crew. I'm not gonna have new equipment every day. Not gonna be able to tell you anything except my opinion on things, and I appreciate all those who watch the whole video all the way through, because that pays me an extra like 3 cents. And what is wrong with making money? Nothing. But, of course, there's that little sect of YouTube that can't stand you because you make a little bit of money on YouTube. And hey, it is what it is. God blesses us all in the way He deems necessary to bless us. So I'm blessed today. Look at that, the sun's coming out. You start talking about God and the sun comes out. That's what we need, man. So we're going to get into showing you some footage on the next yard. We only got 3 left. We only had 6 for the day, but let me show you what we just did. And I think that came out awfully pretty. If I do say so myself. I'm not a master of it. I'm just a guy that does it for a living. So, it is what it is. But I would love it if you shared out the video, shared it to all your friends, told them, hey, this guy's got a screw loose or something. But whatever gets people to watch and subscribe, I don't care. So, love y'all. Let's get to work. All right, I'm gonna take you guys and show you what it looks like. This one is super wet, super wet. So there it is. You can see it from the other side. Looks good both ways, but yeah, it's soaking wet. You can see little darker tracks, mud's getting ready to come up. So that is this yard. I'm gonna finish up the other side. There's a couple swipes on that. I'm not gonna waste your time, and see you soon. All right, guys, there is the next one. That is a beautiful home. And there it is. All done, one left. And man, nothing really to talk about today or share with you other than the fact that it's muggy, and you can tell it wants to rain any minute. So we're gonna try to get done, and then who knows what we'll talk about. You know what? I'm so tired of talking about something every day, because 90% of the people that watch you don't even hear what you're saying. They're just like, look at, there's a mower. I'm just kidding, okay? Come on, guys. Man, people get so butthurt easily, don't they, honey?
Yep.
I mean, so butthurt easily. It's YouTube, folks. Let's just have fun. Anyway, let's get to the last one. All right, guys, last one of the day, all done. And I just want to give you a little glimpse of it. This is a beautiful yard, it really is. I don't mind push mowing this at all. I do not mind at all. I think it's a little relaxing, to be honest with you. So I think it looks nice. That 4-year-old Toro, man, does a great job. I will say that. This is just a beautiful place, man. We're gonna be out here doing hedges soon, and I'll take you around to the front and show you the front. All done for the day, except go home, put everything away, shower up, and then get this video ready for y'all for tonight. So let's go look at the front. Come on, let's go. Well, don't look at me, look at the front. There's that. We're gonna go over here. You can see those hedges are quite large. So I can't get those with the regular hedge trimmer. Of course, I'm only 4'1", so that matters. Man, you can even see the stripes in the grass as we're walking through it. But this looks prettyful today. So all looks good. You got to cut that with the small mower because it's very high. It's deceiving. It's very high and up. So I think it looks good. Yeah, we got a whole row of burning bushes to trim. Whoo, man. Doc is tired. My right toe hurts. I don't know why, but it just keeps, like, I keep pulling something in it, and it's like extending my toe, and it hurts. Not that you needed to know that, but I'm telling you, okay? So, honey, you got any, I don't know, thing you want to tell the folks today?
Work hard and be good stewards of your money.
Yes. Yes, there you go. Work hard, be good stewards of your money. I don't have much for y'all today. I just wanted to get some footage for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. A lot of beautiful yards today, so I mean a lot of beautiful yards, and I'm very blessed to have these, and hopefully it doesn't rain so we can get out next week, because it's pay week. So guys, I hope you have a blessed weekend. Go to church tomorrow, guys. It's not going to hurt your soul, trust me. It might even help you. And If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Like I said, man, share it out. People might want to see what this crazy old guy's doing. I don't know. I'm just saying. But, I mean, look at this, man. Is that a beautiful home or what? That beautiful landscape, and just when everything gets all done in a couple weeks. Of course, I will bring you guys along when I trim those. And you can... Yeah, well, you know, you'll get about 4 people that will critique and say I should have done this and should have done that. Great. I don't care. Anyway, hope you all have a great one. God bless you all. We love you. And as always, Dr. Real was in the house. Keep it real, man. It's the only way to be. We'll see you Monday. Peace.